What's going on, guys? My name is Luis. Welcome to Loubar's Garage, a channel dedicated to helping you work on your car as well as installs and reviews. The reason why I started this channel is because I wish I would have had someone to teach me and show me how to work on my car on my own, to do installs, change my own oil, to change my own air filter, to working on the suspension, to installing lowering springs. With that being said, I wanted to pass on my knowledge onto you, and I hope that this channel will give you the confidence to be able to work on your own car. I know that sometimes things might seem intimidating, or I don't know how to do that, or maybe I don't know where this is located or where that's located. If this is something that interests you, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. That way you can jump into all the resources that I have already currently and any resources that'll come in the future. And that way we can continue to help build this channel to be able to help others out there who are wanting to do the same thing as well. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for tuning in, and until then, we'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.